You're too talented for you sit down on it. Alright, so I'm back and I'm with the one and only Jari. Hi Jari, wanna say hi? He just woke up, so that's why he has a soother in his mouth. We take it out during the day. But we are here at Jameer's bus stop waiting for him to come. His school finished probably like 10 minutes ago. It takes about 15 to 20 minutes before they reach the bus stop. Yeah, so we're just gonna, when Jam comes, we're just gonna go to Dollarama. And I'm gonna go to Adrian's studio, drop off some lunch for him. Yeah, drop off some lunch. I was gonna say lunch, dinner, but it's lunch because dinner, he'll have dinner when he comes home. So I'm gonna drop off lunch, and then we're just gonna taste test what he's made for Morris time cooking. So I'm excited about that. Are you excited about that, Jari? Jari's mad because I woke him up in his sleep. So I got Jamie here, just picked him up from school. Well, not from school, from his bus stop. Okay, that's just creepy, Jam. So I have something to tell you, Jam. So remember the other day you went to the store and bought something for your brother's birthday with your money that you won? So guess what? I actually didn't use your card. I just used my own money. So now I'm gonna give you back your card so you can buy something here. Yes. You have $10 to spend, okay? So you can use it on yourself. You don't have to use it on your brother if you don't want to. You can use it for yourself and buy whatever you want.
Yeah, if I don't have anything else, then I'll buy something for it.
So you might still buy something for your brother? Mm-hmm. All right, so let's go into Dollarama. You ready, Joey? Yeah? Okay, unbuckle him and take away his pacifier. Let's go. Halloween stuff are out. Did you? Jari. What are you looking at, Jari? Looking at the ghost stuff. Don't touch those. That's creepy. No, thank you. Orange? What color? Orange? Okay, let's go, Jen. Got all these Halloween things. Hey, wait for me, please. You guys can be a baby for Christmas if you want. For $4.25. I'm not for Christmas, for Halloween. A witch. You got witch hats. They have a great variety of things here. Some good activities you can do if you don't want to go for Halloween. So some Halloween activities you can do with the kids. You know, painting and decorating if you want. I know some people don't want like going out for Halloween, which is fine. You do a little arts center, a little art station, and do some crafts. Yeah, but look at these decorations. Jameer's far ahead. And look, little cups and stuff you can put your drinks in. It could be a fun party if you have a... Hey, wait, what's happening? You want him to hold you? He doesn't want me touching him, nothing. He just wants to touch and see everything. He wants to... Oh my God, look at his leg. Look at this. It glows in the dark, you know. That's why it's that color. Oh my God.
Good job, actually. It's like, what is that?
What happened, Jory?
Yeah, he's scared. I don't want to scare him so much.
Alright, so Jameer decided to get himself a sticker book, 2 cars, and then we're gonna get a book for just a Jari. Right, Jari? Jari?
Transformers. Okay, no. But yeah.
And Jameer with his dirty clothes. How you get your white clothes so dirty? You're rolling in the grass, aren't you? Can't even say nothing because you know it's true. Alright, we're gonna go see Daddy. Press the floor. Hi, Jory. Let's go see Daddy.
Let's float. Y'all doing it when I float.
Let's go.
Oh, your phone's right here, so I can ask them how to do this stuff. Daddy.
It's like a roach.
Hi there. Sorry it took so long.
Hi, Daddy.
I was on the phone with my OSAP.
Not going to worry.
Don't ever go in my
Like the
bed.
swags and bars.
No.
I hold it big stuff.
I don't know. That's how it's supposed to be.
I said, I can't have this on the yard again. Can't like come and come mash up. Eh? Eh?
Yeah. Shiny.
Come up on the place.
I brought you lunch. That Jameer puts on the floor.
Oh, I didn't know it was lunch. Sorry.
Oh.
You're welcome. I put everything in there. There's water.
Breakfast.
What is that? Oh, Jory's milk. Oh my god, that's cold now. You're welcome. So I'm trying Daddy's. Oh, close the store.
Yeah, definitely.
So what you have to do?
I have to grease this.
Oh,
Because this side you look nice and smooth.
how's it taste, John?
But I lift up on this one.
Haven't you tried with the ice cream yet?
What ice cream?
The ice cream that's in the. That's what ice. That's ice cream. How's the ice cream taste in it? How about a Jari? What happened to a Jari?
So I'm going to do it so this is thinner and more ice cream in it.
I feel like this is good. But it needs more ginger.
I feel like
Keep it there, I know.
it tastes pretty good, but it's not. I don't know. I just
And the
don't feel
avocado?
like it's the best.
Probably needs more avocado to make it taste like avocado.
I don't
Overall?
feel like it's the best, but
We don't like both.
I don't know. Like I don't know. I feel like it's.
So try
I
out
feel like the ice cream needs. I don't know, like something else. I don't know. I feel like it needs something.
Is it sweet? Ice cream is that sweet?
Not really, no.
So I have to add more.
Sweetness to it?
Yeah. But so the test runs still.
The next day.
We are about to go to the gym and we have Pauline here eating some baked goods.
Good morning, people. If you want to check out Mary's Time Bulla, go on YouTube. It is very good. The
Delicious.
best bulla. I'm from Jamaica, but no bulla in a Jamaica that tastes. So check out Mary's Time Cooking and go and make your bulla. You will enjoy it.
Yes,
Have a
yes.
blessed day.
It is delicious. It's delicious. I had one this morning. It's
my
spicy
God.
and it's good, yeah.
Good.
As soon as you bite it, you taste the spice. The like ginger.
You can eat it here. A ripe banana or look butter on it.
Or
Good to
cheese.
go, or
Cheese, right?
Wow.
Yeah. We got
Check it out, guys.
yes.
Go and make it.
and you're not just saying that because you're his mother. Because he gave you a test trial before and you're like, no, it needs a little fix up.
Yes.
And then you came back the next day and he gave you that and you said this is it.
It's very good. People, check it out. Remember to subscribe,
Comment.
comment,
And like.
and like, and give it a share. Bye. Love you guys. Enjoy my bulla with Wow.
We got Mr. Sleepyhead.
Wow.
This one was up at like 3 o'clock in the morning. I don't know, editing or something. Now he's having a hard time being up. Yeah. Yeah, but your bull is A1, 100% delicioso.
I second on that. But you put the first one, you have a record in the first
Yeah.
one.
I remember you gave me I came to the
Never
studio. No, I did. Well, I came to the studio and me and Jimmy tried it. Jam loved it, but I was like, Jam doesn't understand bulla like that. Like it was good,
But it
but it was missing. It was too soft and it was missing something. The ginger.
Now them they put too much liquid in it.
But this one,
And the ginger powder just never that kicky.
yes, this one is amazing.
And we never put too much sugar, enough sugar in the next one.
Yeah. One thing about Adrian, if you guys don't know, he makes his own recipes. Like he literally does everything from scratch. You know how sometimes you can like you'll watch a video and you take hair from there from different recipes. Adrian literally just sits down and writes down his recipes or thinks it and does it. right? He just uses his past experiences on different foods and he combines his recipes. So when he makes these recipes for you guys, he literally takes days and weeks to make these recipes so he comes out perfect. So that's why if you guys don't see him post a lot, it's because he's actually creating proper recipes. So when you see Hot Chef post, it's gonna be a hot recipe.
I made a mistake so you don't.
Yes.
You don't have to waste your stuff, you know? You know, perfect. When you see the end product, sometimes we do it one time and get it right.
Yes.
But other times when we make a recipe and remember I gotta make a fruit cake about 10
Oh
12
my god,
fruit
I
cake
remember. Yes.
One heap of fruit cake me dash before we get the perfect recipe, you know. And I want my family friend, my son this my call and I said, I have this and this because I know she used to make fruit cake when we young. I said I have this and this but I just nah get the texture me
yeah.
for. And she said your ingredients sound good. Just add a little bit more egg and that was it, man.
Yes.
That was the recipe. After my son this to say, because she used to just bake cake for me and Karen for my birthday, fruit cake, and she make me love fruit cake. You know what I'm saying?
Yes.
And I call her on Christmas. And I know my mom me call and say, ask my son this because I never have her number. And I relate the recipe, she want me exact recipe and she said this recipe is good. Just add more egg. And that's just the go-to recipe.
Yes, and you guys got the recipe. If you guys don't know, go on More Time Cooking. Check in the description box, and you'll find the link to all of his recipe ebooks.
The
Yes.
Christmas are come. Christmas
Yes.
are coming if you want to have an ebook will give you like 15 recipes.
Yes.
So you have like fruit cake, cereal drink, think rum punch, eggnog. Yeah, rice and peas, fried up. Just to name a few, just the main things that we eat at Christmas. You know
Christmas
what I'm
time,
saying?
yes.
Main foods plus more. And you have vegan friendly food on there.
Yes.
So you have 3 drinks, 3 dessert, 3 breakfast, and 3
Dinner ideas.
entree. So in total 50 recipes ebook. So Mary's Time Cooking Christmas Recipes. And we have one with Easter recipes ebook. So check them out, man. You see?
They're very good, very detailed.
Follow me on Instagram. That's where I put all of the so Instagram know about everything I want first.
Yes.
Before YouTube, because Instagram I don't necessarily have to edit, I just post for my story and you see the preview, the behind the scenes, what's next. But YouTube don't have to edit before you get it. So follow me on Instagram. @_chef. Or just type in my name, Adrian Morris, I will find me. You go.
Gym time. Let's go. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I was doing.
Yeah, but I think I take out the picture and purchase. Just keep your hand slightly bent.
But mostly straight.
Slightly bent, yeah. Mostly straight. Just a slightly bent. Can't keep it straight take a lot. Slightly bent, chest up. Proper stance. Engage your core.
Okay, that makes sense.
Alright. Yeah, chest up, yep. Yep. Can lean back a little bit. Yeah. Yep. Bend the knee. Yeah.
No too close?
You can go close, man. Closer is better for you, and squeezy. Yeah. Oh, you feel it?
Yeah, but I feel like my arms too, yeah?
Yeah, I got feel in your tricep a little bit. I say I like the chest and, you know. Alright, go lower with it now. Like, yeah. Heavy when you go lower? Yeah. Okay. Hand on your side. Yeah, down now. But you get big runner back there. Lean in your chest, lean in yourself. Yep. Look on your hand. See, try set that work. Stop, move up your hand. Tuck it on your side. Yep. Yeah, we don't want to see your hand move. Just your forearm for your move. Yep. Yep. See that? That's all?
Oh, yeah, that's enough. All right, so we have Hot Chef doing his pec flies.
Alright, go on a road.
Just like that.
Chest up. Yep. Bring your bum closer to the end. Look a bit more. Yep. Chest up. Go on.
I'm finishing off the week with Adrian. Tomorrow I'm coming by myself, but
Yeah.
this is his last day recording, being with me, training me. So
Yeah, man. Let's
I'm
go.
feeling more confident now that he showed me all these moves.
The next day.
So you don't know anything out here with the boys. Adrian there. You see us? Yeah. And we are playing some table tennis. Jam here from It's Jam Time is here. Yeah, say.
Is this my channel?
No, mine.
Oh.
Well, your camp phone if you make your own video.
I don't think I want to make a video.
Okay, it's okay. So we're just there where I play Saturday. As I said to you, from how much years now we start, Boys Day? Boys Night. How much years now we start?
Like,
2 years?
Yeah, like 2020 or 2019.
2020 in pandemic.
Yeah, I think the first movie we watched.
No, 2021. 2021. So we started this thing called Boys Night in 2021. You saw it, I made a video a long time ago, right? Boys Night is basically, because it's my banana, it's okay. Boys Night is basically, we used to do it on a Friday night, but Jammer used to leave school and he used to be very tired. So. Hey, take that funny, when you get that? Yeah, give me. So yeah, we used to do Boys Night, and go swallow this. We did Boys Night because I work every day.
Are you ready for it to get onto your face? Are you ready? It's jump time.
Alright, so right now, what do we call tonight?
Boys night.
Alright, so tonight is Boys Night and it's a Friday night thing. So Friday is for the boys. Typically, I do not record this. Jamir never want me to record this. But I ask him, please, if we can just record it one time and then next week we won't record nothing, right? If we don't get to spend enough time with him during the week, Friday is for the boys. We play either a game, do some arts and craft, and surprisingly Jamir made the list of what we should do. Yo, yeah. That is great. So that's something I want to do with him, future kids. Yeah, and hopefully him can bring over the tradition to film family, you see me? So yeah, these are a list of the stuff that we have going on. This is tonight's list. So Boys Night, what we're gonna be doing tonight, we're gonna be doing pizza. You writing Z them. You writing sometimes you writing letter them back way, see, because Z the back way and A. But anyway, pizza, cupcakes, a pie face cannon, then we're gonna have guessing game, and then we're gonna have movie. So we're gonna choose one movie, and down here it's chips. This is supposed to be in P. C-H-I-P. It's supposed to be P, but chips. Anyway, my 5 years old, my kitchen. See? So that is tonight's list. I'm gonna make half pepperoni because what?
Because you don't like pepperoni, I only like it.
Yeah, good. I'm so busy sometimes Jamir want to play me so tired. So I say, alright, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna find at least one day out of the week when me and him can bond. Now you know Adrian came along, because Adrian never bond him time when we start Boys Night. Right? So what Boys Night is just me and my son them bonding, spend some time because I have a time show the week I'm at work. Right? We used to do it on a Friday as I said before, but we have to stop on a Friday because I used to drop asleep halfway through the movies and everything. So guess what we started now? We start doing it on Saturdays, and today's Saturday I'm out here with them. Adrian come, Alisa gone at the gym, so just make sure tell her to drop them off. Jazzy they home with mommy. So see mommy get more involved. So we'll play some table tennis. Let's go, Johnny. Where the ball? Where do you do the ball? Oh. 1 quarter for me, boy.
You know there's books in that box and that. You know there's books in that bag. You already read those books.
But you will not get the ear. Barber.
Yeah.
Ooh, one more.
Yeah, I'm gonna touch you.
Make it bounce. Let it bounce on the table. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Watch it. Damn. Let's see how go on.
Oh my God, you can't tell it. The real ice cream we buy at Jamaica. Like 1,500 laffy half case. Tastes like beer milk and water. This ice cream that tastes so good.
What kind of ice cream then?
Tastes like Jagan Stout. Wow.
Yeah, the taste buds at work. I told me to take out there and we have to try to make it kind of milk.
No wrong with it. Wow. Mr. Morris, you forgot me something you sell it. I'm a market for him. You're too talented for sit down on it.
Yourself, man. At time do it thing, you know?
I saw me love see me son, look, you look nice and look. I saw me love see your face shine
Time do it thing, you know? Yourself,
and look
man.
good.
I one day you see me make you happy, so.
No. But you
Yeah,
just
sir.
sit down and just look stressed to me. You don't know what that with you.
Yeah, man.
So me love see you look.
In time I not work, I stress, I like work.
You look good.
You know, like to feel work.
Let God ever continue to make you do your work. Tastes really good. Really, really good. It's like Devanos ice cream where you buy at Jamaica.
But really. It's a Morris, no house, Morris time. My house I go.
True. Mars time ice cream. A1.
It
is good.
Put back that knife, please, my friend.
Oh God, it's really good. Let me.
Make Jammer taste.
Oh, you made your own?
You want some banana morning? So
I tasted. No, I tasted already. I tasted earlier. It was really good. I had ice cream. Trying to watch these calories, okay? Trying to stay on track. The exposure is very bright.
Jammer.
Try Jose. Ajari. Yes, you should teach your mom how to make ice cream so when she goes back to Jamaica, she knows how to make it quickly. You know what I mean?
In the morning, and then have in a freezer for night.
Brother, me I said 8 and ice cream cone show you. Nice. God. No Devanos ice cream nice, my brother.
Tastes good, Jory?
Tastes good.
My BT must taste good.
Almost.
I'll take the spoon. What? And Jory said, "Why are you taking it, Daddy? I want it."
My creep off the shot too, that's a. Make a spoon.
Very nice.
Go. Jammer, come taste some of this.
He wants to feed himself.
Oh gosh, we're not getting enough.
No, nobody feed my man. Big man indeed.
Jammer, come here.
Bad.
Tastes good?
Bad luck,
Look at me just staring at you. Gonna take his grandma's.
Hey! Take it time.
I said, it bad enough. I said, enough for everybody. Eh? Oh my God, all the baby know say favor. Look at yes, my baby. Oh my, this baby don't eat and this baby don't taste good enough.
Yeah, he doesn't.
Massa.
Let me go try to see Jam.
Man, Jammer, they make you the first time I make it, man, they make it.
Yeah, on the channel, yeah. How does it taste, Jamie? You have to go bathe. Why would you put on new clothes and you didn't bathe? So take off those clothes and go bathe, okay? How does it taste?
Feels like I recognize this still.
You've had it before.
Yeah, I recognize it so much.
He's right. He recognizes it because he made it with me 3 years ago.
The dragon stout. Let me have one look.
Hey, wait,
It's
can I
so
have
good.
the rest? Is that it?
Yeah.
Okay.
So when you're done, go bathe. You can put back clothes on, okay? Put those back on when you're done bathing. Those clothes. So bathe right after you're done that and continue editing. Yep. So everybody's giving you a 10 out of 10, it looks like.
You like it? Taste it?
Oh yeah, I tasted it earlier. It was really good.
Oh, you say
No, watch the calories. I had an ice cream sandwich, so I don't want to eat
I
it.
just remember the other day, say I make it 3 years ago.
You didn't remember?
2020, but I never remember saying I put it on the YouTube.
Oh, you
Upon my
didn't?
TikTok, I did make it. Are you a fan of Dragon Stout? Then you'll know this year 100 year anniversary. We're gonna make some ice cream, you see? Yeah. Don't try this at home, kids. We can eat the ice cream. Never make a video on YouTube. I make it 3 years ago. I'm going to Jamaica.
He's fighting.
Eat Dragon Stout ice cream. I say, no, I make this ice cream. Probably did it around years ago. But
Yeah.
as a man, I love Dragon.
Yeah, so you just
So I
decided
just put
to
in
do it.
the ice cream a day. I mean, I say, yo, bad.
I thought you made it on. Oh, it was just rum and raisin you put on there.
Yeah, Roman Race now. I love that on the channel. That about 5 years now.
Yeah, Adrian has a
When
lot
you
of
see
recipes
people
on
put
there.
ice cream for the internet, and then from my friend and message me, I say, Adrian, should put ice cream. I say, yo, you know, I have them upon my channel.
You have a lot of
5, 6 years
videos
ago.
that people are doing now that you already did a long time ago. Just that, you know?
That I think through social media I get more, especially Jamaican content.
Yes.
It I get more out there. So
Yeah.
I just a moment people go.
now does it yes?
No, give the moment.
You know him
No, hey, come. No, come.
He's hungry. He's fighting.
Give me back. Come your backside. Let me feel. Too much sweet. I don't want to get me. I gotta do something. You call it some studio laundry. Cause you know sometimes as I say, I shower here, so I'm work clothes come for wash those. Yeah, man. So studio laundry. Then you know last week was what you call it now? For last week was my recording week. So you see kitchen everything nice and clean. This upcoming week is my editing week where I just edit all this week. No cooking this week. So 1 week, so I cook twice a month and edit twice a month. You know what I'm saying? I use 1 week for editing. But the editing is an everyday thing because I have to edit my vlog the morning thing. So even though you see me as I cook this week, I still have to edit the vlogs. But in terms of cooking videos, I try to have 1 week of cooking, then the following week of editing, so I have content for the next 2 weeks type of thing. You see me? So yeah. I don't know. I'm gonna get this laundry done. Alright. So log back in. So we bring the, we never know where they are working about it. We bring the avocado ice cream cake. Oh, that was good. Bola and pear ice cream cake.
It's a bola?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, ginger
Imagine
bola.
you know bola tastes like. What's your guy? You're Jamaican.
No, what's a bola?
Bun, it's like bun.
Yeah, but like a harder bun.
One Wagwan people, you know, you're on an episode on how to be a
Bola,
yard,
bola,
and how to
pear
be a
ice cream
man. So
cake,
now
you know?
today we have a mola.
Bola.
Bola.
Yeah,
Bola,
man,
bola.
bola.
My bad. Bola. Take one, take two. We have some bola
Well, you know what avocado
with
is
an
like,
avocado ice cream on it.
Yeah, man.
Smell like avocado.
Alright.
How do you eat it? Like
You
this,
can
like this.
eat it like that, you can use a spoon and cut it, you know?
Yeah, eat it like that, man.
You want some hot? I'm gonna have some too.
Yes, but not the part where you bite.
No.
Can't give money party a bite you. But you don't want a party a man bite, you see?
One side.
So gingerbread.
Yeah, man. It's like a ginger bulla, you know?
I like the ginger, but not the ginger drink.
Yeah, you know, like the ginger beer.
The ginger beer.
Yeah, man. Tell me what you think.
This is good.
Maddie know bulla and you know pear, so tell me what you think, Maddie.
It's good.
I ain't no try yet. Yeah, I just say good, I ain't even bite here too. I can fight there, you. It's good, and it might even taste it fully yet. I'll tell you. You know what bulla tastes like? So bulla, you know ice cream cake?
Yeah.
You see it ice cream cake? So that me just make it bulla and pear, you know?
Nice.
Yeah, man. Well, ice cream taste, the texture of the ice cream, Roger.
It's avocado ice cream and ginger bread.
What it taste, Roger? Good?
Good.
Yeah, man. Thank you. The texture of the ice cream setup.
Texture?
Yeah.
No, I don't know.
Honesty, Pani. Honesty, bro.
It's good, but I can't tell the texture. I don't know. Like,
No, it's ice cream overall. You have ice cream, not
oh, the ice
and
cream.
avocado ice cream.
That's good.
Like it?
It's creamy.
Ah.
Makes it nice and balances it.
So there you go. That's what I was saying. Like the avocado is nice and fatty, you know, and makes it even more creamier. Yeah, man.
Did you add a lot of cream on it?
I use condensed to sweeten this ice cream. It's not the traditional ice cream where you use eggs and sugar. I use condensed for this one.
Yeah, it's just like a homemade. This is what we do too. Like if I want cream from avocado, I want to freeze it.
Yeah.
Take the avocado, add a little bit of milk, whatever milk.
Yeah.
And then a little bit of sugar in it, freeze it.
Nice.
But not this kind of texture. This is.
Well, I'm
nice
gonna buy myself an ice cream maker and make it like from the egg yolk and all of that. You know what I say? Alright, what you want? I don't know how new you are to this channel, but if you know see me, somebody come up by my hair, I'm gonna play cut me hair every week. However, my barber was in Jamaica. I'm going to cut me hair, and it's a rookie barber cut me hair. Watch it. For the past week, it's been taunting me because I made a record for the cooking channel. I say, no, I'm going to leave the little hair. But honestly, look at my hairline. Please, and tell me, whenever I see my hairline looks so bad, too bad. One little rookie barber, because my barber there in Jamaica cut me hair. Now I beat young people body and everybody need a chance. But hey, I can't walk around looking like this no more. Can't do it. Yes, what I say? Yeah, man. We look like, yeah. Yeah, we can't do it. Yeah, we're not gonna do that. Yeah, man. Yeah, we not do that. Yep. Yeah. Make it grow back fresh. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Make it grow back fresh, man. No, I don't look for myself, so man. So. Even the beard, you know, could have big out the whole of my beard. So, yeah. Cut the back of the hair for me, please. Just do it. Don't so.
How if it hurts?
Just take off my teeth to her. I just want to ease now, clean now. Like that. Yeah, I rather that more than my hairline in the back, so we grow back. Yeah. Alright, just done workout, you know what I say? Monday morning, get the pump in. Then I make some breakfast and then I go start do some work. Next week kind of messy over the last week I used to be cooking. This week, editing. Some hash browns, 2 hash browns, some ginger tea. And then over here, I'm going to drink some protein shake. And then I have 4 eggs beat up, you know. And I have the shower going. I'm going to be there now.